In today's video, we are going to show you how to rent a car using Costco Travel. But before you start, you must have an active Costco membership because Costco Travel is a members only benefit. So if you're not logged in into your Costco account, you won't see the pricing or be able to book. Now, all you have to do is enter your pickup location. For example, let's say we are going to JFK Airport. Pickup date is around, let's say we're going to choose something like April 30th. And then pickup time is around 6:30. Drop off date is okay. Drop off time is like 8 and click the search button. Now, Costco Travel partners with major rental companies like Alamo, Avis, Budget, Enterprise, and you will now see a list of all available cars and prices. This is where Costco really shines because you will notice it gives you a competitive pricing, often a free additional driver, no cancellation fees in most cases, taxes and fees included up front, and of course you can filter by economy, SUV, luxury, rental company, price range, and choose the vehicle that works best for you. So in our case, we're going to be choosing this one because this is part of the Costco member discount and an upgrade. And all I have to do now is click the continue button. Now on the select screen, review the total price, check the rental terms and conditions, confirm by clicking the continue to upgrades. Now, this is very important. You need to understand the terms and conditions, okay? So you're not missing out on anything. If you are satisfied, click the continue button. After booking, you need to log in using your credentials because you will receive a confirmation email. You need to mention you booked through the Costco Travel if needed. And that's how you rent a car using Costco Travel. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.